Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator application. First of all, download Microsoft Authenticator from Google Play Store or from your App Store. Once downloaded, you have to click on Open. From here, you have to accept the terms and conditions, click on Continue, and you have two options. You can either sign in with Microsoft or you can scan a QR code. From here, you can add your personal account. And then you have to sign in with Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you will see this screen on your phone. So you can go to passwords, you can go to payments, you can go to addresses, you can go to verified IDs. To connect an application with the Microsoft Authenticator, all you have to do is click on this QR code icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you can either scan the QR code that is shown on the screen, or you can enter the code of that app manually. It will ask you what kind of account are you adding. You can choose other account like Google, Facebook, and you have to enter the account name and the secret key which is provided by the application. And that's how you can use Microsoft Authenticator. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.